Hello again, everybody. It's TJ, the Stereo-Bargainphile, and I am pumped up because today I will be doing a music demo for you all of the Iotavx SA3 PA3 Integrated Amp Power Amp Stack, or what I like to call the Budget-Fi Bandit. That's right, that's what I'm calling it, the Budget-Fi Bandit, where new age crystal clarity and speed meets vintage hi-fi neutrality and balance. And this December 7th, I will be dropping the full Tell It Like It Is in-depth review of the Iotavx SA3 PA3 stack. And I will be going over everything from the sound signature to the build quality to how easy, very easy, everything is to hook up and to operate. Now, I don't want to give out too much info on the Iotavx stack before the in-depth review, but I will say it's truly a Budget-Fi Bandit, and I'm very impressed with the Iotavx stack. So let's get to the sound demo. The music I will be playing today is a HDCD by Warner Brothers and Rhino, the very best of Dire Straits. And the song I will be playing is Sultans of Swing. And here is the bought CD. I highly recommend that CD. Has terrific sound quality. So let's let it rip, potato chip.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park. The meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But he's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If there ain't no guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't take the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. And the crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner. Sultans all swing.
And that was my sound demo of the Iotavx SA3 PA3 Integrated Amp Power Amp stack playing Dire Straits. And down in the below in the description, I will list all the audio gear that was used for this music demo. And last, don't forget, December 7th, the full Tell It Like It Is in-depth review will come out of the Iotavx SA3 PA3 stack. And one last thing I want to say is I want to thank all the subscribers out there for your all support. Our reviewer could not ask for better subscribers. You all are truly kick-ass. Until next time, this is TJ, the Stereo-Bargainphile.